In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Brevo emails. Whether you're reaching out to clients, connecting with potential leads, or keeping your subscribers engaged, videos can significantly enhance your communication. So, let's dive right in and show you how to do it in just a few minutes. To get started, open a new tab in your internet browser and search for Brevo. Once you've done that, look for the first link that pops up in the search results. That should be the official Brevo website. Click on it, and you'll be taken to their login page. If you haven't visited the site recently, make sure that your login credentials are at hand, as you'll need to enter them to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the marketing section. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu or a series of options. Look for Campaigns and click on it. This will direct you to a list of your existing email campaigns. From this list, select the campaign you'd like to enhance by adding a video. Now that you're in the design phase of your email campaign, it's time to add the video content block. On the left side of your screen, you should see a variety of content options. Simply locate the video content block and drag it over into your email template. It's usually a simple drag-and-drop action, which makes this process incredibly user-friendly. Once you've placed the video content block into your email, you'll need to click on the block to open up its settings. These settings will appear in a panel on the left side of your screen, where you can make adjustments and enter the necessary information. Now, you'll see a field labeled Video URL. This is where you'll paste the link to your video. After you've pasted it, Brevo will automatically retrieve the video's thumbnail. This is a helpful feature because it gives your recipients a visual cue to click on, encouraging them to engage with your content. Lastly, it's time to send out your email. As soon as your recipients receive it, they'll see the video's thumbnail within the email. And when they click on that thumbnail, they'll be redirected to the platform hosting your video, where they can watch it in full. This seamless experience can significantly boost how your message is received, making your email much more dynamic and engaging. And there you have it, a simple way to add video to your Brevo emails. By incorporating video, you can create more engaging campaigns that could capture your audience's attention more effectively. So give it a try, and see how video content transforms the way you communicate with your subscribers. Thanks for watching.